What is main electrical tools? Main electrical tools are the essential instruments used by electricians and individuals working with electrical systems. These tools are vital for various tasks such as installations, repairs and maintenance of electrical components. Below is an explanation of some main electrical tools. Screwdrivers. Used to tighten or loosen screws on electrical devices, outlets, switches and panels. Wire strippers. Essential for safely removing insulation from wires without damaging the conductors. Pliers. Needle nose pliers are useful for gripping and bending wires in tight spaces, while lineman's pliers are ideal for cutting and twisting wires. Wire cutters. Used to cut wires to the required length during installations or repairs. Voltage tester or multimeter. These devices help measure voltage, current and resistance, ensuring safety and proper functioning of electrical circuits. Insulated gloves and safety goggles. Protect against electric shocks and potential hazards while working with live circuits. Electrical tape. Used to cut wires to the required length during installations or repairs. Wire nuts or connectors. Essential for joining and securing electrical wires together safely and securely. Fish tape or cable puller. Facilitates the pulling of wires through conduit or behind walls during installations. Circuit tester. Helps identify live circuits and detect faults in wiring systems. Wire brushes. Used for cleaning electrical connections to ensure good conductivity and prevent corrosion. Conduit bender. If working with conduit, this tool is used to bend conduit pipes to the required angles. Cable ties or zip ties. Used for organizing and securing cables and wires neatly, reducing clutter and minimizing potential hazards. Thank you for watching my video.